Welcome back to my channel. This is Shake My Love, and today I have an exciting video. This is a level up video. I know this is not the first time I'm doing such a video, and I love them so much because they inspire me, and yeah, they help me find out things that I don't know about, and they help me level up, of course. So if this is your first time to watch such a video on my channel, in my playlist there is a playlist called Level Up, How to Level Up. Please, you're going to find a lot of inspiring videos like this video or like such a video that I'm doing, and I hope you watch it. I hope you watch them because you're going to get something from them. So from that, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking by. We do things about fashion, sewing, lifestyle, beauty, makeup, and all that. So if you want to know anything about fashion, if you want to learn how to sew, learn how to do such fashions, learn how to do makeup, professional makeup, kindly go ahead and subscribe, stick by, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. So with all that being said, I'll get that we do videos about development and growth here. So such a video that you're going to watch today, or the video you're already watching, and I hope you like it. So this is a level up video, financial level up, and I hope you like it. I hope you get something out of it. So to my understanding, I really don't think it's so effective to put all eggs in one basket. So that's why I'm here, and that's why I'm recording this video. There are a lot of things that we can do, especially things that you can do from home, things that you can do at home, and you live your best admired life. So such things include side hustles. You know, if you're having a job and then you just basing on one job, it's not really advisable. It's not effective, because what if you wake up tomorrow and the company closes? Like, what if you wake up tomorrow and you don't have that job? What's your plan B? You shouldn't start on your plan B after losing plan A. I don't advise you to do that. With six simple side hustles that you can start at home, and then you earn a living, that you can start and do and earn a living with just a few dollars or few Ugandan millions or even shillings, and then you start earning a living. You don't need a lot of things. The only things that I'm going to mention are the only thing that are needed when starting this side hustle. I'm going to start with. So I'm using my laptop here. That's why you're going to be seeing me looking here sometimes. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I'm even kind of tired because I've been filming since morning. Oh, I even did a tutorial, a makeup tutorial, and I have another video that is coming up about the fabric day. I'm going to show you the fabrics that I bought, the material that I bought, and maybe things that I'm yet to work on. I have a lot of things that I'm going to be working on, such things, such a collection, and I hope you like it. So I make clothes. I'm a fashion designer, but I'm a professional social worker, a mental therapist. So enough of rambling, okay? So one of the greatest things that you can do, the side hustle that you can start from home and you earn a living, is many people do bakery for business, and many people have earned a lot from bakery. And you people, this thing doesn't need a lot of time. You can start with baking cakes, you can do daddies, you can do a lot of things when you start to do baking. And trust me, you're going to put little and you're going to earn a lot. There are a lot of profits. I have friends that are doing bakery, but they are earning a living. They are better than those people who are working in organization or in organizations. Kindly give that a thought. I'm going to tell you 6 things. So I think out of 6 things, you can of course get one thing, and then you start from there. Give give it a thought and start. Just don't think about it and leave it there. And hey, don't postpone things, because that thing is a killer. Don't keep that, okay? Don't keep that trade. So you can start bakery. You can start with small cakes, like birthday cakes, any jigs. Like, you can start bakery business, and trust me, give it a year, give it 6 months with serious work. You're going to tell me later. You're going to thank me. So bakery is one of the things that you can start at home with a few dollars, and then you earn a living. You live a life of your dream. Okay? So that's one. Number two, you can start decoration. And decoration, remember, you don't even need a shop in town to start decorating. The only thing you need is your passion, your heart. You have to be involved. You don't buy things and give someone to do for you the work. You don't do that. If you want to succeed in any business, kindly be involved. Be active in that business. So the only things that you have to buy are the materials, a few things, and which they are not expensive. Get your phone, open up an Instagram, open up a YouTube channel, open up a Facebook or TikTok. Start filming your work, start recording, start doing everything and put them out there. Let people find out what you're doing. Business, that's what you need to do. Decoration is not expensive. You have to start. And remember, all those rich people didn't start from where they are. Okay, they had no money, they had little pennies, and they started. And where are they now? We are admiring them. So decoration is a big deal. Trust me. People are doing jigs, people are proposing, people are doing birthday, people are doing a lot of things, and they need decorators. And they are nowhere to be seen. Okay, those who are already established, they are expensive. So be there, provide a service, be good, have good customer care, and you're going to thank me later. Decoration, number two. Another thing that you have to consider, I've not seen this a lot, but a few people that I've seen doing such a job or such work are earning a living, insane living. They are earning money. You can't believe this, but they are earning money. I have a YouTuber that I'm following called Candy. My God, she's doing this. So home organization and cleaning has money. There is money out there. There are a lot of people who are busy 24/7. There are a lot of people who only have one single day in a week to rest. Okay, and they are not going to get time to clean their house, to clean their couches, to clean their carpets. You may not necessarily do the work yourself, but buy the things, buy the equipment, buy the vacuums, and get people to help you. But you just have to be there. You have to supervise. You have to balance the books. You have to look for jobs. You have to look for contracts, and people are there. People are doing decoration, and after they need people to clean their carpets that they use, to clean their things that they use, and that is your work. You can do that. And you know how much you can charge someone to clean someone's carpet? Just a carpet. How about a couch? So instead of wasting money going there and there in useless things, buy vacuums, buy things that are going to help you. Put your business out there. Use your social media, not to quarrel, not to abuse someone. Just use it to advertise your business. It is free. It is free. Totally free. You don't need to pay at station to. For you have 10K, you have 1K, you have 500 followers. Use those people to know your job. Use those people to discover about what you're doing, to know your services, and before you know, you're going to get the first customer from there, the second, the 10th, 100 customers, and hey, come on, that is a big deal, right? So consider that too, and you're welcome. Hey, are you still watching without subscribing? I don't know why you're doing that, but that is not a good thing. But anyway, I'm here to remind you to subscribe, please. Let's grow together. Let's become a good family. And hey, if you see me wearing such a thing or anything good and you admire it, you want it, just give me a phone call, give me a message. You may not access my phone call, but yes, in my previous video nateka business card yange kuliko my numbers. I attend to you. Sina secretary, so I attend to you, and just inbox me, send me WhatsApp message, use MTN and send me WhatsApp message. You told me, hey, I need that fashion, I need that dress. Oh, let me stand up. This is my dress for today, and yeah, so and a lot of things that you're going to be seeing on this channel. If you like it, you told me, I make it for you, and we do delivery too. How about that? I love you. So that was the third one, and the fourth one is online store. Online store. You have to be active if you're doing online business. You have to be active. Just have a smartphone. You don't need a laptop. You don't need a computer. You don't need to go on televisions or in state radio stations. Just have your phone, buy your data. It's free. After that, abantu bakube business yotunda jiba kube maso online. Use your media platforms, follow people, they are going to follow you back. Make your Instagram neat, post about your work, post about what you do. If you're doing fashion, do that. If you're doing makeup, do that. You understand? So online store are doing great things. They are doing great things. It is tolo zanti no just omuntu abiranga ineduka mchikuu abakola nnyo. Nzo sanga wa online amza tasasula rent wa wakaika amambalilake bazimba. So online business is a big deal. It is a big deal. Some people don't have that time of moving away from their homes and then they go to town. It is crowded, it is sunny, sometimes it is rainy. So to avoid that, they buy online things. Why do you think Jumia is popular? It's because it makes people's lives better. It makes people's shopping better. Post your work, give out the right information, describe your work, describe everything, describe the products, the importance, the good thing about the product and all that. You're going to like it. You're going to enjoy that. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Another thing, the second last is farming. Here specifically, chicken rearing. I know sometimes it may be tricky, but this is something you can. I know this is something tricky sometimes because they need care. But if you're staying home, why don't you? If you have space and you're staying home, use your phone. Go on YouTube, go on Google, go anywhere you can search from. Just search about it. Search about the relative information, the important information that you need to know about a certain thing. Trust me, you're going to like it. And start slowly. Start with what you have. Start with 50. Start with 100. And before you know, after like 5 months, your capital will be worthy 5,000. So chicken rearing, it has money, but you need to be there. You need to be available. You need to be careful, but you can do that. People are doing that. How about you? Who are you? We all can do that. We can all succeed in all sectors. You just have to do you, just have to do you, baby girl. Don't do what others are doing. Just do you. Have a strategy and start with what you have. You don't need a lot to start. You don't need a lot to be great. So just start with what you have, and it's going to help you. Okay, so our last is a coffee shop. A coffee shop, you may not necessarily do it at home, but you can put it anywhere, as long as it is organized, as long as it has the essentials of a coffee shop. And coffee shops, you don't need much. You need a coffee maker, 1 or 2 of which they are not that expensive. You need coffee and other simple things. You just have to be organized. Sorry about that. And about the furniture, you can buy 2, 3. You can buy like 3, 6, and then you add with time. You add within a month. You add 5 months. And then before you know, after like 6 months, you'll be somewhere you wouldn't think about if you had not started. So coffee shop is a big deal. Just learn how to do that coffee. Just learn how to do professional coffee, how to make it, and everything will be fine. Advertise, tell people about your business, stick to the plan, and be strategic. Those are 6 side hustles that you can do from home, and then you earn a living. 6 side hustles of capital for you to start and for you to be great. So with all that being said, allow me to stop here and see you in another video. Bye.